Now what I want to do is go around to everyone in the room and say, what would your opening offer be? And as I'm doing that, I'm sure you'll see that everyone will have a different figure in mind. Don't just copy the person that spoke before. A few people said a figure, a few people said number of months salary, and I think that's important. Some people look at it as purely a financial number. Some people look at it as how many months of salary do I need to cover rent or mortgage or bills, etc. So to give you an example of a case I dealt with last week, a client came in, they were offered 3 months, and to be honest, 3 months wasn't a bad offer. By the end of it, our client had decided that she was leaning towards going for 6 months as an opening sort of counter proposal. I explained to our client, these are the strengths in your case, so the weaknesses in your employer's redundancy. I said I can set those all out, as well as some other common sense arguments like you're going to be out of a job for maybe 6 months at short notice and you need to cover your loss of earnings. So the client was happy with the approach. We prepared a letter to the employer, sent it off, I think the next day. And then from there, a couple of days later, we got an offer from the employer basically accepting our proposal with all legal fees covered. For our client, it was a fantastic win. We maximised their £30,000 tax-free allowance. What was actually 6 months probably was about 9 months net pay. So they knew that they had a cushion whilst look for a new job. Their legal fees were covered, so nothing was paid out of their own pocket, which is another positive. So all in all, it was a very successful outcome.